Hey everybody, this is Daryl Arsnow. I'm just gonna shoot a short video on a free website I've been using to make some money online, and I just wanted to show you all what it is and what it's about and how you can do it if you're interested in trying something for free that can actually make you some money. So I'll spin it around, I'll show you on my computer. So here's the website. It's called 5 Minute Funnels, and all you have to do is you can go through my link. I'll give you this free funnel, and then all you have to do is set it up. It goes through ClickBank. So over here on the left hand side, this is your dashboard, and this is my dashboard here. And so far I got 2 leads, just to show you that it's not that hard to get some leads. And then they have a walkthrough video, and this is Patrick Chan. He's the one who made the funnel for you, and he's a very well known multi-millionaire guy. He knows exactly what he's doing, and he's laid this out and gave it to everybody to try out. And then you can go there's promotional and training, which he gives you all the training you need. He shows you what you can do, how to do it. He gives you a link, he gives you a PDF on traffic and some training. He even gives you done for you emails, so you can send them out to the people if you want. So you don't have to do none of that. And he's got some banners that you can use too. And it's very simple, it takes you 5 minutes to set up. You go into funnel settings whenever you get it and you download it. You get this page right here. And then you go into your funnel settings, and your funnel settings are very simple. You just need a ClickBank account, which you go to ClickBank, and it walks you right through all you have to do. You just go into ClickBank, register, unless you are, and if you already registered, whatever username you sign up to use to get into the into ClickBanks, that's all you have to put in. It'll show you a video here, and then once you get your username, you just put your new username into here, and then you get your ClickBank secret key, which if you don't have a secret key, which is down here, here's your username, you go. Down here's your ClickBank secret key. You just can make one up and put it into the system. And then you just have to go down here a little farther. I'm not going to go down too far because it's got my information on there. So you just put in your username, you put in your secret key, and then underneath the bottom of the second video there will be your little link, and you just put that link in ClickBanks in where it shows you through the walk-in video. Put that in there, and then you're good to go. And all you have to do for this system here is just drive leads to this funnel, give this funnel away, and everything else is done for you. For whenever you do it, you you give it out, get your leads. They sign up here. You have the option to take your leads. If you have your own autoresponder, you can put them into your own autoresponder, and then you can email them all you want. Or there is an upgraded version, and if you want to upgrade, which it says right here, upgrade, you go into Patrick Chan, you upgrade to him, which you buy, I think it's $48 or $49 a month, or one-time fee of $498, I believe. And he does everything. And he does it all for you other than drive traffic. So you will drive traffic, you get a lead. The leads will go into the autoresponder. They do have an autoresponder on here. It's like one-time payment of $29. If you want to use that, then you can email your referrals and all your leads that you get, you can email them. Or if you upgrade, whenever you make a lead, it goes into your autoresponder, which Patrick Chan, he has all the autoresponders there. So any lead you get will go into his autoresponder, and then he will email all the people, all your leads for you with all your affiliate links through every email, and you get the commissions. So he takes care of it all for you through the autoresponder, the email marketing, and whenever you upgrade, then you get 6 5 or 6 more funnels you can use that are from him, and he gives you free ebooks to use, free seminars, webinars, a whole bunch of stuff that you can use to get your leads into your autoresponder, and then he will email them all for you. So other than that, all your job is to do is just have to send traffic, get good leads, and then he will take care of the rest by emailing them for you. And anytime they buy anything at all or subscribe to his program, you're getting a commission. And then he does subscription. He sends out subscription emails too to people. So if they subscribe and then every month they pay, you get the commission. So you're getting a residual income. So that means you are getting money every month. As long as these people are customers and paying every month, you keep getting money. So all you have to do is drive traffic, then sit back, relax, and just get your ClickBank money back to you whenever they make a purchase. You're getting your affiliate commissions through ClickBank. So I just wanted to put this short video together to let you know, if you're interested in trying out this funnel, it's free. And there is the free version, like the one that's right here, where you can take your leads out with their emails. You can take them out if you have your own autoresponder, and you can write all your leads, emails, and you can keep up with them that way. And that's all on you. Then the system will be all free, other than the part where you have to pay for your autoresponder. But you don't need a website, you don't need anything at all. You don't have to spend any money other than your autoresponder, and probably you'll have to pay to get your leads, which you probably gonna have to get solo traffic. You'll have to pay for solo traffic, or like if you can do Facebook ads, and he does have a funnel there for Facebook with Facebook ads so that you can just run it. So he's taking care of pretty much everything if you upgrade. So that's all I need to say. Hope that was informative, and if you want to try it out, go to the link at the bottom of my video, and I will leave the link to this 5-minute funnel for you. You click on it, you just have to verify your email, and I'll send you this funnel and you can start up on your own. Okay, thanks.